Understanding Homework Problems, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, homework problems. This is a common term in educational contexts, and understanding it can really help you in your journey of mastering English. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. In this section, we'll explore the word homework. Homework refers to the tasks assigned by teachers to students to be completed outside the classroom. These tasks are typically related to the coursework and are intended to be completed at home, hence the name homework. Homework can include reading, writing, solving math problems, or other educational activities. The word problems in the phrase homework problems can be slightly misleading. It doesn't necessarily mean difficulties or issues, as it often does in everyday language. In this context, problems refers to exercises or questions set by the teacher for the student to solve. This is particularly common in subjects like mathematics or science, where students practice solving different types of questions. Now, let's put it all together. Homework problems are the specific tasks, exercises, or questions that a student is required to complete as part of their homework. This term is widely used in educational environments and is an important part of the learning process. It helps students practice and understand the material covered in class. Let's see how homework problems is used in sentences. 1. Our teacher assigned us 10 math homework problems for the weekend. 2. I spent the evening solving homework problems in chemistry. 3. If you have trouble with any of the homework problems, feel free to ask for help. And that's a wrap on homework problems. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how it's used in the context of education. Remember, understanding such specific terms is a great step in becoming fluent in English. Thank you for watching, and keep up the good work in your language learning journey.